Hey my gorgeous girls, this is Shehla today. Today I'm going to do another iftar look. You can even wear it on your Eid. I'm going to share a very amazing product that I use today. These are color sticks by ColourPop. Very cost effective, amazing on the eyes, and they are waterproof. So must invest in these. And the rest of the makeup is muted, so I wanted to share with you a few techniques which will help you up your makeup game. Like, it will make a huge difference to the way you wear your makeup. So we will get started with that. And for that, first of all, what we will actually need is like a concealer. For the concealer, I will take this a little bit on my hand here, and then I'm going to take a brush which is like a thin brush. I'm going to dip it in my brush and I'm going to just clean along the outer edge of my makeup. Now this one, like, if you can see the sharpness on both sides, it makes a huge difference. It will really up your makeup game and help you get a better finished makeup. Secondly, again with the same concealer, what I will do, I will take it on the brush and then I am going under the brow bone. It will enhance the appearance of your brow bone. If you see this one and this one, it has much elevated appearance and the brow looks much more cleaner and nicer. So these two concealer hacks, they are really life changing. See here, now with the same concealer, another trick, take some and clean around the edges. So everything looks much more neater. It gives a much more professional look. I haven't taken much, and now another one. I'm going to apply some on the top part here, because here we always tend to lose some color. I don't know if all of you does that, but it will look, the brow bone will look much crisper. And I really love this technique because it works every time I use it. So with one concealer you can do a lot. Now the second step, if you are not good at applying eyeliner, in this look I did not apply my eyeliner at all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a black pencil and I am going to clean, if you are cleaner look, see, I am going in just along the inner corner and the lower waterline. So I'm not going above it, and then on this part I'm coming out a little bit. Now can you see the difference between the two eyes? See, this one looks more made up, this one looks empty. So this is how you do your liner. You are not lining the outer waterline, you are lining the upper waterline, and when you reach the end you just bring the black out a little bit. So it will give you an appearance like you have been wearing a wing all along, and the eyes look like they have been made up with much effort. One more technique I want to share with you is that always take a lighter shade, like I use this one in here, and gold color, any color that you use in combination with your eyeshadow, always apply a bit of it at the corner in here. it will enhance the appearance of your eyeliner. See, so these few techniques which will really work for you, they will elevate your makeup game. Best of luck for Eid, best of luck for your final Ishra of Ramzan.